Hello everyone and welcome back to Quick Helper. In this video, I'll show you two methods to download videos from YouTube. So let's get started. The first method is for downloading your own videos from YouTube. Start by going to youtube.com and logging into your account. Then click on your profile image in the top right and select YouTube Studio from the menu. In YouTube Studio, navigate to the content in the left sidebar. Find a video you want to download, hover over it, and click the three vertical dots for options. Select download and save the video as an MP4 file to your computer. The second method is for downloading other people's video, but it requires a YouTube Premium subscription. Find a video you want to download, then click on download next to the video title. The video will be downloaded and you can access it anytime from your downloads page. And that's how you download videos from your YouTube. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.